Hello guys, how are you all doing? Come join me to prepare fried rice.
And here's everything we'll season with: garlic, ginger, curry, thyme, seasoning cubes, salt, the chicken properly, adding your ginger, your thyme, seasoning cubes, salt
All together and let it sit for about 15-30 minutes so the seasoning can enter well. Just allow the chicken to release its own juice. Fry it till golden brown and crispy. Just look at that color. Perfect. I have my cooked rice, carrots, green peas, green beans, sweet, all those colorful veggies that make fried rice pop in together gently. Make sure every grain touches the seasoning so the taste balances well. Yummy! If you enjoyed this fried rice circuit tutorial, please like, comment, inspiration. See you in my next vlog.